Hello, today I'll present to you a revolutionary machine, the machine for fresh gelato. These are the batches where the production takes place. This machine produces fresh gelato done at the moment. How does it happen? It happens with 8 batch freezers, which we work with. Now I'll show you how this revolutionary machine works. We open the lids, and I'll show you the production of fresh gelato, freshly made, in front of the customer. This is a done-at-the-moment gelato. With this machine, we can batch various flavors, from fruit to milk-based flavors, and I'll show you how simply this machine works. Now I'm pouring the lemon. I've already poured the cream. With this machine, we can make sorbets, add hard pieces, alcoholic gelatos, and slushes. We can start gelato parlors or stands without any problems. I'll press the button for batching, and it starts automatically. Here it is. Now the first 4 batch freezers have started. Automatically, I already have the mixer ready to start with the following batch freezers. What's beautiful about this machine? The simplicity of processing. Anyone can use it without problems. I can balance the gelato without any problems. That being said, why should I get a machine like this? Because it is of terrific simplicity in processing. We can start new businesses, or we can add stands to existing businesses without problems. Now, we have the first 4 flavors in batching, and I can start with the other 4. Can you see how fast it is? Now I'll prepare a mascarpone product. I'll pour the whole product. I'll close the lid. I start again with raspberry. I pour almond slush. Why is this important? Because I'm showing you the procedures, which are very important. With this machine, I can automatically change the batch programs. I can go from program 1 to program 7. With program 1, we can make slush and other quick-to-make products. For those flavors with a fat or alcohol content, we'll change the programming. This machine has 7 presets. I'm now planning a cycle. Then I'll start it. This is my batch freezers, and what shall I do at this stage? I check that everything is in order and my preparation work is done. This machine has a specific characteristic. It has an airflow that passes over the batches, and therefore it does not fog up the lids. A plus of this machine is the Frigomat patented spatula, whose side touching the food remains inside the batch at 4 degrees. Each flavor has its own spatula. So there is no possibility of product contamination. This machine is so simple that we can put it in a stand without any problems because it's compact. Has a very small size, whether in terms of depth, width and height. And furthermore, we can continuously batch the gelato. In fact, I'll show you that as the gelato is served, we can automatically refill the mixture in front of the customer. I'll give you an example. I'm taking the hazelnut mixture and I'm refilling the hazelnut in the batch. In 4 minutes, the machine batches the gelato, therefore we will always make a fresh gelato. The feature of this machine is the night storage, which makes it easier for me to finish my job in the evening. I'll show you, I close everything and I leave. I have no work to do here. With this machine, each batch is managed independently. Therefore, the operator who works in a bar, a cafe, a restaurant or a gelato parlor, once the programs have been set, anyone can operate it. You see, the other batches are also starting. They have reached temperature and the other batches are starting automatically. I have already programmed these batches. The GX line has several models, including GX2 in line, GX4 in line, GX6, GX8 and GX4K. The GX8 and GX6 are water-cooled. The versions 4 and 2 work both with air and water. There are single-phase and three-phase models. According to the customer's need, we can modulate machines with 4, 6, 8 or 2 phases. The spatula is a Frigomat patent. Each spatula has its own slot, you see, so there is no danger of dirtying the machine or polluting the product from one batch to the other. Now I'll show you the insertion of biscuit. What do? I've made a vanilla cream, it's getting to temperature and now I'm adding some biscuits. I've made my biscuit gelato. It starts to batch and I've made the biscuit gelato. Now I'll get ready and work with chocolate. I add some hard pieces. Now I have dark chocolate and I add some white milk chocolate. As you can see, I add some hard pieces and I create a contrast of chocolate. I can add some alcoholic parts and create the Cunese gelato. That is, in the same batch, we can make a product in the morning and make another in the evening. If I add alcohol, it can become a Cuneo chocolate gelato. In this case, we'll do it with lemon and we'll have an alcoholic lemon gelato. Another addition of hard pieces on a vanilla base. You can see how simple it is. I've put everything in the batch. It's started. Here we have a batch and we have some dark chocolate. We're working with hard pieces. Here we have a milk-based cream batch that we are working with another product. Next to it, we have some lemon. We are in the final phase. I want to make some lemon with dried vodka. I automatically change the program. I enter the settings and set the alcohol program. I take some vodka. I pour it into the batch and make an alcoholic product. On a single countertop, each batch is separate. On average, in 15 to 20 minutes, we've made 8 flavors. In a space of 1.5 meters, we have revolutionized the gelato world. I will now show you the night storage setting of the machine. I'll press this button and the machine goes into storage mode. My day is over. If I want, I can prepare the products for the following day and put them in the refrigerator at 4 degrees. You automatically choose the type of gelato based on where you are. From north to center to south, we can make any type of gelato. Sweet, fatty, alcoholic, less alcoholic, more full-bodied milk-based creams, less full-bodied creams, and now I'll show you how to wash the machine. We'll stop the batches, take the water tap, and start pouring water into each batch. After this procedure, we will drain the water into the water mains or through a lateral container. Rinsing should be carried out 2 or 3 times. While rinsing, we will also apply some disinfectant and a detergent. We'll dedicate more care to chocolate, a product that's a little fatter than the others. Perhaps an extra wash will be necessary. Then, done this work, we'll take the ring, the inner spatula inside, then we will take the beater, we'll extract it, we'll put it in the dishwasher, and in the meantime we'll dry all the various parts. We'll put the beater, the ring, the spatula back in it, and we will reposition the lid on. Once this is done, we're good to go.
Fatto questo, noi siamo a posto.